Welcome to day 13 of 365. We're going to work on down with distance. Grab your dog, some treats, a leash, and be ready to use a clicker or marker word. I have Monty tethered to help work on the distance. Go ahead and give this a try. Do 1 to 2 reps close to your dog. I'm going to take a step back. Go ahead and try taking a step back. We want to vary that distance, so move closer to your dog again. Let's try 2 to 3 reps farther away now. Go ahead and move in closer for 2 reps. Let's remove the tether if you have not already. Let's do 2 to 3 reps semi-close to your dog. Let's try a farther distance rep now. Back to a closer distance. Here, Monty traveled too close to me, so I decided to reset and re-cue. It is okay if it fails. I retried at a last successful point previously. Go ahead and wrap things up. Thank you for joining me for day 13 of 365. See you tomorrow.